Understanding macronutrients.
Macronutrients are the main nutrients your body needs in large amounts for energy, growth, and essential functions. The three primary macronutrients are carbohydrates, proteins, and fats. Each plays a unique and important role in your overall health. Learning about macronutrients helps you make better choices for balanced eating and a healthier lifestyle.
Carbohydrates, your body's main energy source.
The carbohydrates are found in foods like bread, rice, fruits, and vegetables. They're your body's preferred energy source, especially for muscles and the brain. Carbs are broken down into glucose, which fuels your daily activities. Choosing whole grains, fruits, and legumes helps support steady energy levels and provides important fiber for digestion.
Proteins, building and repairing.
Proteins help build and repair muscles, skin, and organs. Important for growth and maintenance, proteins are made of amino acids found in foods like meat, eggs, dairy, beans, and nuts. Getting enough protein supports healthy muscles, a strong immune system, and balanced hormones. Including various protein sources in your diet helps ensure you get all the amino acids your body needs.
Fats, essential for health.
Fats are vital for brain health, hormone production, and absorbing certain vitamins. Healthy fat sources include olive oil, nuts, seeds, avocados, and fatty fish. While fats are higher in calories than carbs or proteins, moderate amounts are necessary for energy and overall wellness. Choosing unsaturated fats and limiting saturated and trans fats supports a healthy heart.
Balancing macronutrients for wellness.
A balanced diet includes all three macronutrients, carbohydrates, proteins, and fats, in the right proportions for your needs. Eating a variety of whole, minimally processed foods helps you get the nutrients and energy your body requires. Listening to your hunger cues and staying hydrated also support overall wellness. Understanding macronutrients is a key step to making healthier choices every day.